water sign constructs moksha triangle, okay, of Kalpurush Kundli, that is Cancer, Scorpio and Piscean. Now in Cancer, Jupiter is already there exalted in Punarvasu, exalted as well as Vargottama, and Venus also entered Cancer. So today both Jupiter and Venus are in the same degree, 1 degree of Punarvasu Nakshatra, Pada 4. So both are Vargottama in Cancer sign in D9. And at the same time, Saturn is there in Piscean and Moon is also there in Piscean. Saturn is in Revati Nakshatra Pada 1 and Moon in Uttarabhadrapada Nakshatra Pada 2. So the day Venus enters Venus enters Cancer sign along with Jupiter as a close conjunct in the same degree, 1 degree. At the same time, Moon is there with Saturn. So now we get 4 planets in water sign only. Venus is Lord of Kalpurush Kundli, 2nd and 7th Lord, and Jupiter is Lord of 9th and 12th. And in Kalpurush Kundli 12th house only Saturn and Moon is sitting. So Moon and Saturn is sitting in Piscean. So Piscean Lord is Jupiter exalted, and Jupiter is sitting in the sign of Cancer. Moon is dispositor of Jupiter sitting in house of Jupiter. So there is exchange of Jupiter and Moon. Exchange of Jupiter and Moon is something very serious, some very heavy duty, but along with Moon there is Saturn also, so it's something very serious and constructive mental ability, you can say. And very close tight conjunction of Venus and Jupiter in 1 degree of Punarvasu Nakshatra Pada 4 in Cancer, which is Vargottama also, is also a very constructive, although Jupiter is Dev Guru and Venus is Daitya Guru, but and though both these planets are not having same kind of mentality. Jupiter is very tolerant and Venus is very creative. Jupiter is very constructive in finance and investment, and Venus is symbol of money and love. So if you can balance in between the knowledge of Jupiter and creativity of Venus, this month is very important for all water signs. Anybody who is having Cancer ascendant is having 2 planets in 9th house, and anybody who is having Scorpio ascendant is having planet in 9th and 5th house, and anybody who is Piscean ascendant is having planets in 5th house. Exchange in between 1, 5, 9 is also very good, like Jupiter Moon exchange. Anybody with fire sign as ascendant, these fall in 4, 8, 12 or moksha houses, so give spiritual upliftment. Anybody with earth sign ascendant, that is Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, it's time for wish fulfillment. And for all air sign, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, water signs are falling in 2, 6, 10, so good time for job and finance.